Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me King Kali from the EnglishWithKing.com. Welcome to the new lecture. आज का क्लास हमारे पास प्रोनाउंसिएशन के कोर्स में से पार्ट 2 होगा। जैसे कि पिछले क्लास में हमने ये सीखा था कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन, फोनेटिक्स या फोनोलॉजी ये होते क्या है, इनको सीखना लाजमी है या नहीं, और क्या हम इनको सीख सकते हैं या नहीं। लेकिन इंशाल्लाह आज की क्लास में हम ये सीखेंगे कि मतलब अल्फाबेट्स की जो करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो हम किस तरह अदा कर सकते हैं। लेकिन इससे पहले अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे क्लिक करें और साथ में बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हमारे हर आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक मौसूल हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Alright, welcome back. So, the letter A gives us the sound of A is in the word apple. याद रखिए अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में ये एप्पल होगा और ब्रिटिश में apple. So, apple or apple. Ain't, astrology, etc. So, the letter B gives us the sound of B is in the word bum, based, beside, etc. And the letter C gives us the sound of K is in the word kite, coin, camera, etc. So the letter D gives us the sound of D is in the word doctor, data, delete, etc. So the letter E gives us the sound of E is in the word ear, email, every, etc. And the letter F gives us the sound of F is in the word father, fee, and from, etc. And the letter G gives us the sound of G is in the word get, glorious, game, etc. And the letter H gives us the sound of H is in the word high, hen, helpful, etc. And the letter I gives us the sound of E is in the words ink, international, and impossible. And the letter J gives us the sound of D is in the word jam, jug, joy, etc. And the letter K gives us the sound of K is in the word king, kite, keep, etc. And the letter L gives us the sound of L is in the word love, line, and lamp, etc. So the letter N gives us the sound of M is in the word mango, manager, and more, etc. And the letter N gives us the sound of N is in the word noise, name, nest, etc. And the letter O gives us the sound of O is in the word onion, orange, hour, etc. So the letter P gives us the sound of P is in the word power, price, pay, etc. And the letter Q gives us the sound of K is in the word quality, quiet, queen, etc. And the letter R gives us the sound of R is in the word road, rain, rest, etc. And the letter S gives us the sound of S is in the word star, tick, smile, etc. And the letter T gives us the sound of T, is in the word telephone, television, teacher, etc. And the letter U gives us the sound of O, is in the word under, umbrella, and underway, etc. And the letter V gives us the sound of V, is in the word rain, villain, and vest, etc. And the letter W gives us the sound of W. Consider the difference between the sound of V is in V and the sound of W is in W. Just like V sound V, villain. W, W is in world, wind, weep, etc. So, and the letter X doesn't have any specific sound, so that's why we have to leave it, okay? X. And the letter Y gives us the sound of Y, as in the word young, yes, and yet, etc. And the letter Z, याद रखिए अमेरिकन इंग्लिश हम इसको Z कहते हैं और ब्रिटिश में हमारे पास Z होगा, ठीक है ना जी? Gives us the sound of Z, as in the word zoom, zero, and zoology, etc. तो आई होप आज की क्लास आपको ज़रूर पसंद आया होगा. अगर ऐसा है तो फिर लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयरिंग ये सब बिल्कुल फ्री है. अगर फिर तो फिर कंजूसी किस बात की भाई. And finally, if you have any question or something to present, so please feel free to write down in the comment box. You'll be answered on the coming Saturday at 10 p.m. 5 plus GMT. So thanks for watching and tata for now.